Every perfect garment begins with one small but essential step, the numbering process after fabric cutting. Large rolls of fabric are spread into multiple layers called lays, preparing hundreds of garments for cutting. A computerized marker is placed on top to maximize fabric utilization and minimize production waste. The cutting machine precisely cuts hundreds of identical garment panels in a single operation. After cutting, every garment component is separated and organized according to its pattern.
Now the numbering process begins, using automatic ticketing machines or manual numbering devices. Each garment piece receives the same sequence number as every matching component from that fabric layer.
This ensures every front, back, sleeve, and collar stay together throughout the production process.
Numbering prevents shade variation because matching garment pieces always come from the same fabric layer.
The numbered pieces are tied into bundles before moving to the sewing department. Sewing operators simply follow the numbering sequence, making assembly faster and more accurate. Quality inspectors use these numbers to trace every garment throughout the manufacturing process. In large factories, numbering keeps thousands of garment pieces organized every single day. Because of proper numbering, every finished garment has perfectly matched panels and consistent quality.
That's the complete numbering process in garment fabric cutting. Subscribe for more fascinating garment factory insights.